Hi, my name is Cassie.
I'm Emma.
My name is Maggie.
I'm Rebecca.
My name is Claire.
My name is Asia.
And I'm Melissa.
And we are pro-life.
An unprecedented threat is looming for the young girls, women, and parents of New York State. Under the guise of protecting women's rights, Eliot Spitzer introduced a bill to the state legislature that is so radical it would roll back basic health protections for women and strip parents of their rights to safely raise their own children. Like most deceptive legislation, Spitzer's Reproductive Health and Privacy Protection Bill sounds good. Supporters claim the bill, known as RHAPP, is intended only to make sure Roe v. Wade is followed in New York. That's what Spitzer's political backers, including campaign contributors in the abortion industry, want you to believe. Eliot Spitzer may no longer be in office, but his abortion bill lives on, and our new governor, David Paterson, is on record as supporting the legislation. RHAPP is dangerous and radical. Here's why. Spitzer's abortion bill would allow non-doctors to perform abortions, meaning that a social worker, dentist, or school nurse could legally do an abortion. That's not all. RHAPP would ensure that girls as young as 12 years old can have abortions without their parents ever knowing about it. Under current law, a 12-year-old girl cannot receive aspirin from the school nurse without parental consent. Yet Spitzer thinks it's fine to allow that same girl to get an abortion, a highly invasive operation, without her parents' knowledge. The bill also ensures that the abortion industry will be exempt from further state regulation, including restrictions on taxpayer funding and parental notification laws. Spitzer's abortion bill is far-reaching and dangerous because it would permit late-term abortions, even up to the moment of birth, for any reason and without restrictions. The bill could also invalidate the Conscience Clause and force all healthcare employees to perform abortions, even if they object on moral, personal, or religious grounds. If they refuse, they could lose their jobs and potentially their medical licenses. Catholic and other religious hospitals and medical facilities in New York could lose their licenses and be forced to close their doors if they refuse to do abortions. Under the Spitzer plan, if a hospital refuses to perform an abortion, the New York Department of Health could deny the necessary operating license and the hospital would close or be turned over to the state. The reason? The hospital is discriminating by denying patients a so-called fundamental right, the right to an abortion. Supporters claim RHAPP would give women and even young girls freedom of choice, yet the bill takes away the right not to choose abortion from the parents, nurses, doctors, and hospitals who may be against it. As if all this wasn't extreme enough, Spitzer's bill would actually encourage public school sex education classes to promote abortion as a means of birth control. It's obvious the Spitzer abortion bill is not just a way to codify Roe v. Wade, as its supporters claim. The bill would make abortion a fundamental right equal to the right of free speech or religion and punish those individuals who have objections to abortion. It is time for women, parents, and concerned citizens to stand up and stop this backroom political payoff from Spitzer to the abortion industry. No matter if you are pro-choice or pro-life, Democrat or independent, a liberal or a conservative, we must join together and stop Spitzer's RHAPP abortion bill because it undermines parental rights and puts women's health at risk and puts young girls in harm's way. Call Governor Paterson. Call your state assembly representatives and senators. Write letters to the editor of your newspapers. Contact your legislators in writing or in person. Tell them to protect young girls, women, and parental rights. Tell them to stop Spitzer's abortion bill. Go to abortionbill.org to learn more about the dangers of RHAPP and what you can do to help stop this dangerous and extreme abortion bill. Paid for by New Yorkers for Parental Rights.